Hanji, welcome back to our channel VFX Forge. So today we are going to see how we can create this type of particles effect inside Houdini. So this is the continuation of the last class. I hope you have seen that. Okay, so without talking much, let's jump into the video. Okay, so just let's start our class. Okay, so in last class we have created this type of system here. Okay, how we are going to emit our particles from our blade, in which is the sword. Okay, so I'll say if you have not seen our last class, I'll say please see that, because if you don't have seen that class, you will not get it any at all of what we are going to do here. Okay, so I'll say please see our last class. Okay, after that you can continue with this. Okay, so now as you can see, we have separated all the other things. Only we have now our only sword. Okay, which we are going to work on it. Okay, now we will take our pop network node here, from which we are going to emit our particles. Okay, with the help of that only we are start emitting our particles from the sword. Okay, so here I'll take one node that name is pop network. Okay, we'll take that node and just connect to your pipeline like this, and you will see here the particles are going started emitting here. Okay, and when we'll play this, as you can see, particles will appear on your screen. Okay, on the surface of your sword. Okay, as you can see, when we'll go inside our pop network node, in the source area, as you can see, in the emission type, scatter onto surfaces are enabled, so it will emit the particles on your sword only. Okay, so as you can see here, our sword is like this. Okay, particles are generating on our sword. Okay, but here what is the problem, what is the main problem? That is, we don't have the control on our points, that is the particles. As you can see on the screen, the points are here. We don't have any control of on it. Okay, we can't increase the number of the points, we can't decrease the number of points, and many more things are there. Okay, for controlling the points in our particles or in our points, what we will do, we will take one node that name is scatter. Okay, with the help of scatter we will emit the points. Okay, so we will take the scatter here. Okay, and just after taking the scatter, we will plug this into our pipeline here. Okay, and now we can increase the number of points and number of particles inside our scene. Okay, so with the help of on scatter, just click on that and you will see here force total number of counts. Okay, the total number of points here, you can increase that. Okay, like this, I'll increase to it to like this. Okay, you can increase that and just see here, you will get the randomized point order alterations वगैरह. You just remove this. Okay, we don't want this. Okay, just remove this. Okay, just unclick that. After that you will see the points will appear on our screen like this. Okay, when I'll again click on this and play on our popnet, the points will not appear on our screen, because when we'll go inside our popnet, on the source area and the source input, you will see the emission type is on the scatter on surface. But now we have to scatter our points not from our surface, we have to scatter our points from our points. Okay, we have to scatter emission from our points. So now here what we will do, just go again onto your popnet and just hit the emission type to all points. After getting to hit the emission type to all points, you will get that area again. Okay, as you can see, the points are going to emit like that only. Okay, on the screen again. Okay, so make sure after you will connect your scatter node here, you have to change the emission type to all points for getting the points on your popnet. Okay, like this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to emit our points, we have to emulate our points, not like this. We don't use the points like this. Okay, what we have to do, we will use some noise patterns. Okay, because we don't want to emit the points from whole of our sword, but the whole area of our sword. We have to scatter our points from some parts of the sword. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will take the noise pattern and we will simulate that noise pattern as our emulation of our points. Okay, so with the help of noise pattern we will do that. For that what we will need, that is the attribute warp. Like this, press tab, and from here you can take the warp node, that is the attribute warp. Okay, This is the programming node. Okay, in this you can make your own nodes. Okay, and you can simulate that. Here what we will do here, if you want to know what is the Vex builder and you want to know what is the warps, okay, I'll make this separate video on that. Okay, on that topic. So for now, we will take the one noise pattern. Okay, so we will press tab again and we will take the noise pattern here. After pressing the tab and hit the noise, okay, after typing the noise, you will get here number of noise here, anti-alias noise and turbulence noise and periodic noise. There are number of noise here. Okay, I want you to just go through it. Okay, and just hit and try everything here and get to know what these varieties of noise do. Okay, so for now we will take one noise, that is the turbulence noise here. Okay, for creating our that noise pattern from which we are going to emulate our particles. Okay, so here what we will do, just connect to our position of our turbulence noise to the geometry global position. Okay, what you have to do, on the attribute warp, go inside that, and into that you will get the geometry global node here. Just you have to connect the turbulence noise position to the global noise. Okay, and you have to output that noise to the color of the geometry output. Okay, like this. And from here you can just change that the frequency of the noise pattern. Okay, how you can see that, just go backward and hit the attribute here, and then again go, just hit the display flag here. Okay, and then get inside that, and after that just you can increase the frequency of your noise, and you can increase the amplitude also. Okay, the power of your noise. Okay, the alpha of your noise, like this. Okay, see this you can do with the help of frequency, and you can make your own pattern in which part you have to emit your, or from which part you have to emit your particles from. Okay, just you have to work on it. Okay, I'll just increase the amplitude like this, not roughness. We can more offset to see the noise patterns like this. Okay, just hit and try like this. Like I really want this type of things. Just go through it. And I want like this, hit it, amplify it, offset it like this. Okay, so I want this type of frequency, and here you will get one more thing, that is the noise type. Okay, you can change that also. You can change it to Perlin noise, you can change it to the simplex noise. I will go for the simplex noise. This is the noise types. Okay, you can go for it. Okay, just hit and try everything and you will get to know what these things gonna work. Okay, I'll go for the simplex noise, and we will more change the frequency. Okay, we'll offset it more like this. Okay, just see the area from where you want to emit your particle. That's it, nothing else. Okay, I'll go more, I'll offset it little bit more like this. Okay, I like this pattern of noise. Okay, and I'll just increase the amplitude, so the alpha will be more increased like this. Okay, that area will be more highlighted. Okay, after that we will go backside again, and you will see here the scatter points on that noise is on the scatter points. But one thing is important here, as you will see here, there are that our noise pattern is really very harsh, that is really very sharp here. Okay, as you can see, our noise pattern is really very sharp. We have to fix this. We can't use this model, or we cannot use this of harsh sharpness of noise here. Okay, for that we have to soften it. Okay, so as you can see why it is getting here, why it is looking like that, because there is not that much subdivision in our model. Okay, we have to increase the subdivision of our model first. Okay, for increasing subdivision of our model, what we have to do, we have to just take one node, that is the divide node here. Okay, just click on that and connect to your pipeline. Okay, with the help of this we can increase the division of this model, and we will make the make our that noise sharpness to the soft. Okay, So what we have to do, just click on divide and just uncheck our convex polygon and come down here, and you will get the breaker polygons. That check it, and you have to decrease the number of break polygons. That is it will increase the number of divisions in your model. Okay, so I'll just increase that. I'll go for 0.003 in all the parameters, that is 003. As you can see, our number of divisions is going to start increasing like this. Okay, I think this much is good, or I'll go for more, that is 0.002. okay, I'll increase more. Let's see what will it come. Okay, I'll go for 0.003. okay, as you can see in all the parameters XYZ, and now we will see to our attribute warp, and let's see how it is looking now. Okay, and now as you can see, our noise pattern is really gonna visible now. Okay, and it's looking really good, because before it, when we'll surpass this, if we'll surpass this divide, as you can see, this noise pattern is really very harsh. It's not that much really looking detailed, or it is not looking that much good. So for making it good, we have to use that divide node for increasing subdivision here, and we will get this type of thing. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so you will get this type of noise pattern. Okay, so inside your attribute warp, you can make your own type of noise here. Okay, our noise is looking like this. Okay, if you want to change more, you can go on the frequency, and you can see you can change your the area of the noise from which you're gonna emit your particles. Okay, it depends on you, on which area from you have to emit the particles. Okay, so for this class, I'll say this much is enough. Okay, I'll want you to hit and try everything which I have told you. Okay, so we'll meet you in another class. Sorry for taking this much time, okay, for uploading new videos. Okay, because I'm working on some project here, so it is taking some time for me to upload new videos on our for our Houdini. Okay, so don't worry, I'll upload soon our next video. Okay, so we'll meet you in another class. Tab tak liye, keep creating and stay professional. Bye bye.